Hello, good evening all of you. Myself Pooja Sharma, a PG student in Department of Physiology, Jhalawad Medical College, Jhalawad, Rajasthan. I am going to be present a poster in Epicon 21. Now, the title of the poster is to evaluate the efficacy of recombinant human erythropoietin with regards to changes in hematological parameters in treatment of anemia in chronic kidney disease patient. Now I'm talking about the abstract. The introduction of the abstract is recombinant human erythropoietin is a single most important advance in the management of ESRD, which is end stage renal disease in last 20 years. The testing of recombinant human erythropoietin begins in 1985, leading as the first license as the therapeutic agent in 1988. EPO is a heavily glycosylated polypeptide of 165 amino acids with molecular weight of 34 kDa with half-life in blood around the 5 hours. The aim of the present study was to evaluate the effect of recombinant human erythropoietin on hematological parameters in anemic patients diagnosed with chronic renal failure. Now I am showing the material and methods. An observational study was done on 65 healthy young adult subjects of both genders, the age between 18 to 60 years. After the taking written informed consent from April 2018 to May 2019. Statistical analysis of the data is done by help of SPSS 20 software, the trail version and pair and unpaired t-test and one-way ANOVA test was done uh, in the data analysis, and the p-value is less than 0.05 is considered as significant value. Now I'm showing the result of the study. The present study revealed that the diabetes mellitus has the highest prevalence of chronic disease associated with CKD. The result of this study observed significant increase in the red blood cells, which is RBCs, hemoglobin, HB, and the hematocrit value, the PCV, compared to the baseline value, which is the p value in the study is greater than 0.001 are present to show respectively. The result also show that in this study there is a no clinical significance to anti-erythropoietin antibody titer in all the patients is shown. Now I am showing the conclusion of the study. The anemic patient with the CKD were responding to recombinant human erythropoietin and their anemias was corrected without any adverse effect of erythropoietin antibody. Recombinant human erythropoietin, which is RHU-EPO, is a safe and good drug to improvement of anemia and the quality of life in renal anemic patient. Thank you.